Once we enter into our project, we'll select Create, then Live Stream. You'll then be prompted with a URL code that we'll use on our controller, as well as a personalized individual code for your live stream. On our controller, we're going to enter into our camera view and we'll ensure that we've selected on our gimbal. This is a necessary step to make sure that we're only looking out of the gimbal view. From here, we'll then check to make sure we have sufficient Wi-Fi connection. Then we'll click on Cloud Services, Open Platform, and we'll put in the URL provided within Nova. From here, you'll be prompted with the page where you can enter your live stream code. Once that's done, we'll select Connect. When Start Stream is highlighted, you click on it, then you'll enter back into your camera view where you can begin flying. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see a cloud icon with a red dot showing you that your live stream is active. From within Nova, we can then select on the blue bounding box around our live stream. And now we'll be able to view what our live stream is projecting.
You'll also be able to view your altitude, vertical speed, horizontal speed, and wind speed. Underneath that information, we can select on More Options, where we can disable and enable flight path, as well as our drone icon. When it comes to sharing our live stream link, we have a couple different options. We'll start by selecting on Share, where you can then input either a phone number or email at the very top. Below that, we have a QR code, which is the same QR code as on the previous page. You can scan that with a mobile device and it'll appear. And lastly, we have the ability to copy our URL and input it into a new browser. Nova also allows you to create and manage email lists. So if you have a CSV file with a bunch of people from your department, you can then send the link with one click of a button. By hovering our cursor over top of our live stream, we can select on full screen view. This will show us all the information previously shown on our minimized view. When it comes to ending a live stream, there's a couple things to keep note of. The first way is simply landing the drone and powering off. That video will then be saved within Nova, where you can rewatch and export. The second way is by selecting on the cloud icon while it's recording. Below that, you're going to see parameters and a pause button. Once that pause button is selected, the video will be stopped, it'll be saved within Nova, but we do not want to click on Start Live Stream. That will wipe out our previous live stream and start a brand new one. When our live stream is embedded within Nova, you'll see Recorded, Live Stream Flight, and the number associated with it. When selected, we can click on Data, Export, and this is where we can export our flight path, either a KML or shapefile. From here, all we'll have to do is select on Download to our hard drive. And last but not least, if we ever want to delete a live stream, we can select Delete on the bottom right-hand side of our inspector panel.